A network of radio telescopes spread across the entire planet. From Hawaii to Spain to the South Pole, all synchronized to capture the invisible. The Event Horizon Telescope, the size of Earth, pointed at the same spot in the sky, waiting for a shadow, waiting for proof. M87, a massive elliptical galaxy 53 million light-years away. At its center, a monster, 6.5 billion times the mass of our Sun. They were not trying to see the black hole itself. Black holes are black. They were trying to see its shadow against the glowing gas around it. The data was too big to send over the internet, so they shipped hard drives by plane. Physical delivery, from telescopes across the globe to supercomputers in Boston and Germany. Teams worked for months, processing, calibrating, arguing. The image was hidden in the noise. They had to believe it was there. The supercomputer ran algorithms written by a graduate student named Katie Bowman. Pixels were processed one by one. The ring began to appear. On April 10, 2019, they held 7 simultaneous press conferences around the world. Scientists were crying. They had done the impossible. The image was blurry, an orange ring around perfect blackness, but it was real. The first photograph of a black hole. After 100 years of predictions, 6.5 billion times the mass of our Sun, 53 million light-years away. And humanity finally saw its shadow. The invisible became visible. The black hole at the center of M87 is so large that our entire solar system would fit inside its shadow. It is a monster beyond comprehension, and we have its picture. Newspapers around the world ran the same headline, "First image of a black hole." 100 years after Einstein predicted them, we finally saw one. In 2022, they did it again. Sagittarius A star. The black hole at the center of our own Milky Way galaxy, 4 million times the mass of the Sun. It was harder to photograph. Gas orbits SGR A star in minutes, not days. The image was blurrier, but it was real. Our own galaxy's monster. Stars orbiting this invisible monster proved its existence long before the photo. Andrea Ghez and Reinhard Genzel won the Nobel Prize. They watched stars dance around nothing. The center of our galaxy is not empty. It is ruled by a silent giant. And we finally have its picture. 2 black holes, 2 photographs, 1 reality. What comes next? The next generation Event Horizon Telescope. They will make movies of black holes. We will see the accretion disk rotate in real time. Space-based interferometry, telescopes on the moon or in orbit, working together as one giant eye, sharper images, new discoveries. The first photo was just the beginning. We saw the invisible. Now we want to understand it. How do black holes work? What is inside? A single photon of light. Hope. Discovery. The next question. We saw the invisible. The impossible became possible. What's next? Stay tuned. The universe has more secrets. Astrolius, we look into the void together. Subscribe.